This is a Poly Studio V72, a brand new premium USB video bar for large rooms. The Studio V72 is based on the second generation all-in-one video bar, Poly Studio X72. It also shares the same hardware and the latest video and audio features as the Studio X72, but it's optimized as a USB video bar to be used with PC-based rooms or for BYOD use cases. In the box, we have the Studio V72 video bar. A wall mount is included, along with a wall mount template that assists you with drilling holes for placing the wall mount over or under the monitor. You can also purchase an optional VESA mount or a table stand. We have an Ethernet cable, an HDMI cable, USB-C to C cable, and a power supply and some documentation. On the Poly Studio V72, you will see dual lenses, one narrow field of view and the other a wide field of view with integrated privacy shutters. On the back side, you will see the identical ports as Poly Studio X72, but some ports are not in use with the Studio V72 as a USB video bar. On one side, we have two HDMI inputs used for initial setup only, and an HDMI ingest which is not in use, and two USB-A ports. These USB-A ports are disabled by default but can be activated on the web interface, and the USB-C port to connect to a PC. On the other side, there are two 3.5mm input and output jacks, the RJ11 port for Poly Studio expansion microphone, two RJ45, one for corporate network connection, the other to expand with IP-based peripherals, and then the power connector. For more information, check out the product and the product support page on hp.com.